Okay, we are asked here to find the six trigonometric functions of theta when we know that cosecant theta is equal to 2 and tangent theta is greater than 0. Okay? So let us try to analyze first. Ano sa ba yung ginami na to aning cosecant? I think no, when we say cosecant, we mean what? It's just a reciprocal man siya sa sine, which is ang sine so no opposite over hypotenuse, and this must be hypotenuse over what? Hypotenuse over ang imuhang kuno opposite is no over opposite. Okay? And this is equal to 2, and this could just be thought of, well, hypotenuse always maginang positive. This could be thought of 2 over 1. Or basta imong gina-assume nga ang imong hypotenuse 2, ang imong opposite, imong kuan is 1, pwede lang. Na imong opposite or kuan y. So in that case, kabalo man kanang ang atong gina-assume diri kay ang opposite kay y, so 1, among hypotenuse kay 2. We just look for kung unsa nga to ang x, okay? So lantawon nimo na siya sa graph. Okay, ang imuhang kuan kay aham na siya. Imong y kay 1. Okay, nya aham naglibog ka no kung duha mo guna possibility kung imong y kay 1, either na siya sa quadrant 2, na siya sa quadrant, or na siya sa quadrant 1, right? Maglibog ka nila kung asa dana imuhang kuan. Kung quadrant 2, ang kauban niya nga x kay negative. Kung quadrant 1, ang kauban niya x kay positive. So, kanatong lantawon. Okay? So, ingon siya, napay additional nga given. Tangent theta is greater than 0. Tangent theta is greater than 0. So, meaning, sige lang tangent, that is what? Di ba, kuha man ang tangent, no? Y over x, or opposite over adjacent. So, ang y, o kabalo naman ka nga ang y, positive gyud ang y. So, aha man diri ang tangent kay positive. So, di ba, plus plus man diri, plus ang x, plus pud ang y. So, kabalo ka, ang tangent ana, y over x is positive diri, negative ang x, positive ang y. Kabalo ka diri nga, negative ang tangent. Therefore, quadrant 1 dapat ang imong angle na nasa quadrant 1 baling imuhang angle. And in that case, kung naka sa quadrant 1, imong idea ana kay dapat no kabalo mas atong i-solve nga to ang pila tong value sa x. So magingani ang idea, no? So draw nimo siya, and then imong hypotenuse kay 2, imuhang y kay 1, imuhang x kabalo nakadapat ano kung unsa na siya. So imo nang sulbon, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Okay, so we have a squared plus b squared, and the hypotenuse c is equal to 2 squared. Ang a, which is we don't know, or that's the x that we're looking for. The b is we know that's 1 squared. So essentially we have here 4 is equal to x squared plus 1. Clearly we can have x is equal to what? Square root of 3. So positive siya, kay kabalo man ta sa first quadrant siya mabutang, okay? That's square root of 3. Okay, kung second quadrant pa siya, negative unta atong butang sa iha. Okay, so let's continue. We have sine theta. Pila man ang sine theta? Opposite over hypotenuse. That's 1/2. Reciprocal lang ana. 1 man ang imuhang opposite. Hypotenuse mo kay 2. Cosine will simply be, well, adjacent. Okay, square root of 3 over hypotenuse, 2. And tangent, let us see kung ingon mo sa tangent ay positive, no, greater than 0. Tangent kay opposite 1, adjacent is square root of 3. Let's simplify that. Let's rationalize the denominator, no, times na lang square root of 3 para mawala. So we'll have 3 times walang square root, no, times square root of 3 over 3 balik. So this is positive, so meaning hipit siya sa imong mga given. Okay, e kung na negative pa imong x, this must be negative square root of 3 over 3. Okay, and that must be tangent. Reciprocal sa cosecant, sine na naman, no? Cosecant. Reciprocal sa cosine is secant theta. It's 2 over square root of 3. Then tanggalon yung mga square root of 3 by multiplying it by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Secant will just be 2 square root of 3 over 3. Okay? And cotangent will just be, reciprocal ani is square root of 3. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.